Hey. Okay, is it recorded? Alright, yeah. Man, I'm not even even down, man. It's not even even down. Oh, man. Oh. Oh, we look terrible. We look terrible. Oh, okay.
I have to eat pizza.
Oh, it's ready. Okay, ready? You want to start it off? How you go?
Alright, what up, YouTube? We're back with another one.
What's going on? What's going on? Team Daddy Long Legs.
Yeah, you already know.
What I'm saying?
We're in this piece.
Hey.
Alright, so in this video, we got you with it's a reaction video of our mom. We bought her a new car, you know, and we're gonna have her in the video. We're gonna have her seeing what's happening with it. And we got her, we surprised her at work. And you know, some stuff happened with the footage and all. So not all of it's there, but you know, we got where it counts. We got her. We got her. We see her in the car. You'll see what's gonna happen.
But yeah, like he said, video's gonna be lit. It was a very great reaction. We was very happy with. She was very happy with her car. And before we put this footage, just remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, let's get onto the video.
All right.
Be crazy. Huh? Where'd my car go? Where'd it go?
There, wait.
You don't lose your own car.
Where'd it go? Hold on. Mommy, surprise!
Suprised. Oh, I'm about to. She's like, I want to hug everybody. Aww. She's that sweet. Alarm goes off. Oh my god. Where's the key?
Here you go. Here you go.
I don't know how. Baba, you go di. Too bad di. Baba, moi comment vous mouvez?
You gotta push the button to this one to unlock it, my man. There you go.
Oh, it just has little blinkers. The little lights for the blinkers.
Mm-hmm.
I love you guys. Woo! This is horrible.
Look at she rolling. Oh my gosh.
This is your birthday.
Why you come on the driver's side, mommy?
Come on the driver's side. Go around the other way. Come on the driver's side. Hey, she gonna go around this. What are you doing?
Yo, my mom is
What you doing? Yo, she's...
Hey,
a fool.
let's go. This is my birthday.
She's like, I'm fucking out.
Anywhere you want. Anywhere you want.
Are you crying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
She's so cute. She wants to get in her car. Everybody move out of her way.
She's trying to turn it on.
I don't think she can reach the pedal right now.
Yeah. Ace was driving, you know? You gotta...
Yeah, I was driving. Hold on.
Mommy.
You gotta move it
I
up.
need the sunglasses.
You have to adjust it for how the long.
There you go.
So you don't have to put your key in anymore, mommy. Just press the brake. Press the brake.
Push button start. There
And while
you
you
go.
press the brake, this button. You got fancy cars now, mommy. Oh, hold on. It's probably gonna play music.
Ooh. You know, I got it. Something tell me. Ah! You guys do something. Because you asked me for the other. I said, I can't talk to myself. Why you need to change it?
She don't trust you. It's true.
I said, I trust him. I don't know. Whatever you do, it's He's the husband, he's the dad. What?
You là toujours avec caméra ça?
I think you get surprised every time she has to say the camera's on her, like I turned it off or something.
Hey, don't call me. I'm not gonna go to work. How you gonna
I'm
pay
calling
me?
out tomorrow. Calling out forever.
She's such a clown. Ooh. Hey, man, I go to the front desk.
Go ahead, go to the front desk. Go.
No, that's
Go ahead, drive around. I want to see you drive. You gotta test drive your car.
Get comfortable first, mommy.
Yeah.
So look, these, you can move this like this. Move it up. If you can move it, also lift the whole thing up if you want to go up because you're a little shorty.
She said, wow.
And then this one is to move the back, the middle one here.
Wow.
To move the back. This one, I don't know.
Look at her face.
I don't see. Is it Toyota? I mean, Nissan.
It's
I
a
don't see
Nissan.
C'est machine. C'est ça,
that.
ouais.
I said,
It's on
It's
this
a
on the
Nissan.
road, mommy.
I need some water.
Look, push the camera
That's why I
button.
told you water.
Push
some-
that button right
That's
there.
why you're looking for the whatever. I did some water.
No, I needed water. You're gonna need it.
Push the camera button, mommy. Push the camera button.
This button
Look.
right here. That button?
Yeah.
You can see around you. And then you have navigation, you have Bluetooth,
On the right,
you have everything.
on the right.
What?
The picture on the right.
What picture on the right?
The picture on the screen.
What about it?
She asked about. She was pointing to it. She's like,
Oh, it's a bird's eye view. So, it sees the top of the car, right?
Oh,
I stayed this.
What?
Mommy, aussi pour chaque fois avec caméra.
yeah. I don't remember what I
There go the
I
bump.
think that's what happened last time, probably.
Ooh.
You could just put it, you could just put it.
Do you like your car, mama? You like your new car?
Oh, Lord. I love you guys. Thank
Wow.
you, Lord. Thank you, guys.
Wait, you know what?
Thank
Keep
you.
it. Don't get back yet. We're gonna take a picture. We're gonna take a picture. How? I don't know. Oh, we can take it with a selfie stick. So put it right there.
Hold it.
You're going home with it, mommy.
Where my car?
Right here. That's your car right here.
Can I go with this?
We took
Yeah,
your
we're
car.
gonna take
No.
your car.
Oh, no.
Why?
You can drive that car. I think it.
Why not?
Oh no.
Yeah, I said, look, she's ready for the picture. Is this on right now?
What?
This one?
It probably wouldn't.
It's completely dead?
Just take it.
Oh, because we need to take a selfie.
God did.
Just take it somewhere else. I mean,
Here,
probably
you guys get in there.
we could take
guys
we could take another day when it's
picture.
when it's light.
Put that flash
'Cause
on.
we're not gonna be able to see nothing like that.
Oh, yeah, true.
Yeah, we'll do it when we're all there.
Look, she's look.
But
She
yo, get
wants
a flash real quick.
Look,
Mom's a picture.
Oh,
Get
Lord.
one for the, authentic moment.
Sunday.
You
She
know,
always gotta
put
get
the
her.
flash
Extra
on.
lights.
There you go.
Okay, freeze frame.
She always gotta get her Sunday pictures. You know.
I don't even know how to put it.
Okay, hey, shorty impress you on pictures. Want me to fulfill an image? Ooh, miss some dress, I'm a
Ooh, he said bounce with it. Ooh, bounce with it. Ooh, ah. Ah.
Society made me a menace. Damn, a new life
Ah.
for the better.
Hey.
It was recorded. I guess it was recorded. Alright guys, if you guys are watching this, I guess you already seen the reaction video to our mom. It was pretty lit. I know. She was very happy with it. In fact, she told us that she was trying to, stay a little quiet because she was still at work, and it was also nighttime. But she still was very happy with her new car. And we were blessed to be able to give her a car, to have what we had, to be able to provide her with a new car. She deserves it. And you guys go out there and I know everybody say they love their parents, and you probably tell them all the time or whatever it is, or whoever raised you. But sometimes just the action itself speak louder than words. So go ahead, and if you are able to, go ahead and show your parents or whoever raised you a little bit of appreciation. It don't gotta be on Mother's Day, it don't gotta be on Father's Day, and it may not be able to buy them a car, but get them something, out of the blue, just to show them that they'll actually remember that and appreciate that. And yeah, you guys stay blessed.
Okay, hey, shorty impress you on pictures. Call me the fool for an image. Ooh, miss I'm a drizz, I'm a chemist. Go hard from the start to the finish. Blow a chick, then I replenish. Ooh, bread cheddar cheese on my lettuce. Society made me a menace. Damn, a new life will change for the better. Ooh, flights that switches the weather. Damn, a new life will change for the better. Ice my neck, I'm a bezel. Damn, a new life will change for the better. Poppin' like I'm a Beretta. Schooling you niggas professor. And the last shorty calling me Dexter. The way I'm applying the pressure. They all talking, I'm